In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can install mods on Euro Truck Simulator 2. So first things first, you want to head over to a modding website. You can simply search for Euro Truck Simulator 2 mods. In my case, I'm using one of the more popular websites out there, which is going to be the Nexus Mods. From here, let's say that I want to install this specific mod, which is going to be Artificial Science Begone. Now it's really simple to install mods. You want to download the file straight from the website, and then right after that you want to head over to documents, and here you want to look for Euro Truck Simulator 2, and then you want to create a new folder named mod. You want to make sure that this is all lower cases because this is case sensitive. It's not going to work if you have capital characters. From there, you then want to paste your mod onto this folder, and basically that's it. As you can see, we have the official instruction on this specific mod. You want to copy it inside the Euro Truck Simulator 2-mods. From there, you want to open up the application, click on your profile, click on mods, and you will then see it right here. We also have active mods at the side of our screen. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.